Good morning, children. This is Imran sir, and see, today I am teaching you a chapter called The Last Leaf. See here, The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. See, this chapter has three characters, namely Suey, Johnsy, and Behrman. These are the main characters. Only three people are there in this story. And this story is about blind faith of a girl. This girl, Johnsy, falls ill, and she considers that her illness is related to leaves who are falling. Let me tell you some background. This man, Behrman, is a painter. He is a painter. He draws pictures and he sketches some portrait. So this man is a very famous painter, and he always tries to make some very unique or masterpiece painting. But unfortunately, he has not succeeded. These two girls are friends. They two are somewhat little artists, and they are living together. One day this girl falls ill, and through her window she sees crappers, and which are having some leaves, and day by day one leaf is falling. Like suppose on Monday one leaf fell down, on Tuesday one other fell down. So this process continued, and she had connected her disease with the falling of the leaves. She thinks that when the last leaf of the crapper will fall down, she too will fall down for good, for always. Like she will die. And so consoles her. She gives her some kind of suggestion, idea that no, you are a perfect girl, you don't have any problem, you are healthy, you are normal, don't think like this, you will be quite well. She calls a doctor comes and he gives some medicine, and when he interrogates her, the doctor says to she that is something disturbing Johnsy. Why is she worrying about? If she has any kind of mental illness, there is no cure for that. If she has any psychological problem, I don't think that she will be fine. The doctor says so, and he goes back to his clinic. Behrman, who is living on the first floor, and the girls are living on the second floor, this man comes about this problem, and finally one day, when the only last leaf is left to be fallen down, he goes and on the place of that last leaf, he paints a leaf, artificial leaf. He paints an artificial leaf, and just stick it to there. Just he sticks it to that place. When the girl wakes up in the morning, she sees that the leaf is still out there, and she's completely wondered. She say, "Wow, I will not die now. I will live." And when the two girls reaches out there, they see that it is somewhat. It is like later on they come to know that this is an artificial leaf. Girls, you understand the thing, what is the matter, because the whole story, the problem of Johnsy have been shared by Sue to Behrman. Finally, on that day, it is raining cats and dogs. It is raining very heavily, and they come and they see that Mr. Behrman is no more. He is suffering from pneumonia. He died, but finally he produced a leaf that is called masterpiece. Like his dream has come true. Finally, he had painted a sketch of wonderful piece which has given him some kind of satisfaction. The story ends out here. So what does the story teaches us? The story teaches us that the good people, the good Samaritans, life are always for the society. They can leave this world, but they will make somebody live in this world. They can leave this world, but they can make somebody live in this world. Like Behrman, while painting this artificial leaf, died because he was suffering from pneumonia. If he would be there inside the house, he would not have died. But he risked his life and went on to save somebody's life, and finally he died. So this story teaches us a very important lesson that good people, the people who are social, they always live for society. They always live in society for social cause. They always want to do something for society. The story ends out here. आओ हिंदी में आते हैं। जो कहानी है ना, इसमें एक लड़की है सू, एक दूसरी जोन्सी है, दोनों सहेली है। उनके एक टीचर है, उनका नाम बेरमन है, साथ रहते हैं। जोन्सी को लगता है, मैं जल्दी से बोल रहा हूँ, और जोन्सी जो है वो बीमार पड़ जाती है। उसको लगता है कि भाई जो उसकी तबीयत है ना, जो पत्ते हैं ना, उनसे जुड़ा हुआ है, कि जितनी पत्तियां गिर जाएंगी भी मर जाएगी। और डॉक्टर आता है, डॉक्टर कहता है कि भाई आप नहीं मरने वाले हो, आप ठीक हो जाओगे, आप ऐसे मत सोचो। ये जो लड़की जोन्सी है ना, मानती नहीं है। अंत में क्या होता है कि ये बेरमन साहब आते हैं, इनको पता चल जाता है, और बहुत जोर से बारिश होती है। और उस बारिश में भी जाकर वो मतलब एक आर्टिफिशियल पेंटिंग करता है, वो प्लास्टिक सड़ा देता है, चला आता है। सुबह लड़की देखती है भाई पत्ती नहीं गिरा है, उसको उम्मीद जगता है, वो जिंदा हो जाती है, वो मतलब उसकी बीमारी दूर हो जाती है, वो फिर से नॉर्मल आती है। लेकिन ये जो साहब बेरमन है मर जाते हैं, वो दुनिया छोड़ चले जाते हैं। कहानी यहाँ पर खत्म होती है। बेरमन साहब की तमन्ना है वो एक वर्ल्ड क्लास कोई मतलब पेंटिंग करे, और ये जो उनकी पेंटिंग थी वो मास्टरपीस थी, बहुत अद्भुत था, यूनिक था। कहानी यहाँ पर समझ जाती है। कहानी का संदेश यह है कि जो समाज में अच्छे लोग होते हैं ना, उनके जीवन हमेशा दूसरों के लिए होता है। जो अच्छे लोग होते हैं, जो गुड पीपल होते हैं, जो समारितन होते हैं, समारितन एक वर्ड है, जो बड़े बड़े लोग जो बिना किसी स्वार्थ भावना के लोगों की सेवा करते हैं, तो ऐसे लोगों का लाइफ जो होता है ना, वो हमेशा समाज के लिए होता है, वो समाज के लिए जीते और मरते हैं। कहानी पर खत्म हो जाती है। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि कहानी समझ में आया होगा। थैंक यू सो मच।